Can smoke from cooking affect my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning filter? Yes, smoke from cooking can clog the filter faster and make your system work harder. When you cook, tiny bits of grease, soot, and smoke float into the air. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system pulls that air through the filter, so the filter catches those particles instead of letting them spread through your home. That sounds helpful, but when too much smoke gets pulled in, the filter can fill up quickly and stop moving air as well. A clogged filter can make your home feel stuffy, and it can also make the system use more energy. One thing many people do not realize is that smoke from frying, burning food, or cooking at high heat can leave sticky residue on the filter, not just dry dust. That sticky buildup can trap even more dirt later, which makes the problem grow faster. If you cook often, checking the filter more often is a smart habit, especially after meals that create a lot of smoke. Using a kitchen fan, cracking a window, and replacing the filter on time can help your system stay cleaner. A common mistake is thinking a filter only needs attention when the air feels dirty, because by then it may already be working poorly. A simple fix is to check it regularly and replace it sooner if you cook a lot. Another mistake is believing a stronger filter always solves everything, since some filters can make airflow harder if the system is not made for them. A good tip is to use the filter type your system recommends, then pair it with better kitchen ventilation. People also forget that smoke can spread far beyond the kitchen, so the filter may get dirty even if the cooking happened in one room. The best habit is to run the exhaust fan before, during, and after cooking so less smoke reaches the system. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.